Hi, my name's Julie. I am a wife, mother, two kids, and I work full-time as a nurse. So to say that in this house we are really busy is true. So today is my cleaning day and I wanted to show you a product that I really like and I have started using, a friend showed me. It is Truly Free Floor Cleaner. I really like this. It's eco-friendly, cruelty-free, plant-based, recyclable, and so they send you the bottle, you fill it to the line with water, and then these pouches come and you can keep filling that bottle, which is great because you're not having to throw away all those bottles in helping our environment. So let me show you what it's all about. All right, so to get started, I just have a bucket of warm water, a cleaning rag, and our floor cleaner. So I'm going to clean my stairs. This is going down into our basement, so they get pretty cruddy because this is where my kids come down and play. Okay, stairs are all clean, and as you can see, they were pretty gross, all that dirt in my bucket there. And now my stairs are looking fabulous. So since I'm in the basement cleaning, I noticed a few spots on my floor. So I'm just going to take care of those now. It wipes up so easy. Guys, I've been doing some painting down here and I have like little swatches of paint and those are just wiping right up. I don't know if you can tell that, but I'm sure my husband wouldn't like to know that I have paint all over the floor. Just wipes up. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and I hope you too try Truly Free products. I really enjoy them, and I know you will too.